Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Chromecast to control smart home lights. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure your Chromecast device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your smart home lights are compatible with Chromecast. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. Then choose Works with Google. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your smart light brand. Select your smart light brand to link it with Google Home. Sign in to your smart light account if prompted, and grant necessary permissions. Once linked, your smart lights will appear within the Google Home app. Now, you can assign your smart lights to a specific room for easy control. To control your lights using Chromecast, cast content to your TV that supports Google Assistant. Say, "Hey Google, turn on the lights," or "Hey Google, dim the living room lights." Your smart lights will respond based on your voice command. If you encounter any issues, ensure your Chromecast and smart lights are on the same Wi-Fi network. Explore additional features within the Google Home app to customize your smart lighting setup. Now you can enjoy seamless control over your smart home lights using Chromecast and Google Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.